This video will teach you about foreign exchange rate, the comparison between two currencies of two different countries. Here you see an example written on the board. This example discuss about the relationship between US dollar and pound. The exchange rate between US dollar and pound are given in this example is 1 pound equal to $2.8. From this information you are asked two questions. Question number 1 says that if you convert 120 pounds in dollars, how many dollars will you receive? And question number 2 says that if you convert $224 in pounds, how many pound would you receive? So question number 1, we are given that 1 pound means 2.8 US dollar. Therefore 120 pound means 2.80 multiplied by 120 US dollar. If we perform the multiplication, we get the value as 336. Therefore, if I exchange 120 pound, I will get $336. Now the second question. The number of pounds in exchange of $224. We are given that $2.80 equal to 1 pound. That means $1 equal to 1 divided by 2.80 pound. That means $224. It means 224 multiplied by 1 divided by 2.80 pound. Therefore, we get the value as 80 pound. This math is also an example of unitary method.